Ladies and gentlemen, aviation enthusiasts and curious minds alike, welcome to the thrilling mini-series that will take you soaring through the skies called What Makes This Plane Great? In this episode, we'll be talking about the earlier British single-engine fighter, the Hawker Hurricane. So, what makes this British fighter that was easy to manufacture great? Well, it was a rugged aircraft that was easy to fly and land. When it came to absorbing damage, it could be easily repaired and sent back into combat in no time at all. That was because its fabric skin could simply be patched and doped, which you couldn't do with an all-metal aircraft like a Spitfire, for example. The main great thing we all love about the Hurricane is the fact it was the real workhorse of the Battle of Britain. It shot down more aircraft than the Spitfire, and it could turn tighter than the superior Messerschmitt Bf 109. The Hurricanes could outperform both the Messerschmitt Bf 110 and Fiat CR42 Falco, but they mainly focused on shooting down the German bombers. And the highest scoring Hurricane squadron of the Battle of Britain was the Polish 303 Squadron. The other great thing about the Hurricanes were that they proved to be quite an adaptable and versatile aircraft, serving a number of roles in all theatres of the war. As the war went on, the Hurricane as a fighter was getting more outclassed by later fighter designs, like the later Bf 109s, Macchi C202s, and the Ki-43 Oscar, for example. This led to the Hurricanes being phased into more fighter-bomber and ground attack roles. Later Hurricanes would be fitted with 20mm cannons and were able to carry two 500-pound bombs, hence why some Hurricanes were nicknamed Hurry Bombers. A great thing about Hurricanes being used in the ground attack role was that they were the first planes to be used as a tank buster. The so-called tin openers had a 40mm cannon in underwing pods under each wing, and they were quite successful when being used in the tank busting role, especially in the Second Battle of El Alamein. Hurricanes were picked for these type of roles as the plane was rugged and easy to fly, but the weapons did slow the plane down a bit, making them vulnerable in the process. During the Blitz and over-occupied Europe, Hurricanes were used in night fighter and intruder roles. These night fighters were quite effective against the German bomber formations, and later night fighting Hurricanes were equipped with pilot-operated air interception radar. As well as Hurry Bombers and the tin opener tank busters, you also had the Sea Hurricane. These either operated from aircraft carriers or were launched by catapult from camships, and they were pretty successful in defending ship convoys, especially in Malta. And that's it for this thrilling journey through the skies. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my aviation content, etc. Check out the two videos at the end, or my CD reviews, or even the playlist I've created. Cheers.